Yeah, welcome to our live stream. This is Jade from Singapore.
And this is Selena from Singapore.
Singapore is a house factory. Our factory was established in 2001. It's more than 20 years right now, and we mainly produce hydraulic hoses, industry hoses, PVC hoses, automatic hoses, and we also have fittings and adapters, and also we have machines. If you are interested in these products, feel free to contact us.
Okay, and now we will first introduce the hydraulic hose for you. For hydraulic hose, we have the steel wire braided hose and also the steel wire spiral hydraulic hose and the textile braided hose, also the thermoplastic hose and the PTFE hose. Okay, then we will show the models about hydraulic hose for you. The 1SN, 2SN, 1SC, 2SC, the 4SP, 4SH, R9, R12, R13, R15. We will choose some samples to show you. Also the hose specifications and the details. Then we will introduce the 1SN hydraulic hose 1SN for you.
Yeah. Yes, we will introduce you the hydraulic hoses firstly. For the hydraulic hoses, we have 1SN, 2SN, 1SC, 2SC, R, R1, R3, R6, R12, R15. Yeah. Firstly, we will show you the 1SN. We can see this one in my hand is 1SN, and this one we can check from this surface is a wrapped surface, and we can also make a smooth surface. Yeah, like this one is a smooth surface, and for this house we can check from this cutting surface is one steel wheel braided, so it is 1SN. And also we can check from this ley line. This blue color is Singpost brand name with Singpost logo, and also it's EN853 1SN. It also meets the SAE 100R180 standard, and the inter diameter is 8 millimeter in inch. It equals to 5/16 inch. And also in our ley line, it also shows the working pressure is 21.5 megapascal. It equals to 112 psi. Also, in the end of our ley line, this is much number. It is simple online. And if you want to customize your logo and your brand, we can customize it for you. Our team can make a design for you. We support customize. So this one is the 1SN. Yeah, actually, let us introduce the
Okay, we just introduced the 1SN for you. Now I will introduce this host. It's model number 2SN. Firstly, let me show you the surface about this 2SN host. Yeah, we can see here is the ley line about our 2SN host. Yes, we can see this place. Yes, we can see this place clearly. It shows our company's brand logo, Sinopos, and we can see the ground color clearly. It is with the red color. We can also customize a different ground color, such as the blue color and the orange color. Yeah, we can customize the ground color according to your request. And our hoses meet the standards like the EN standard 853, also the SAE 100 standard. Yes, our hoses meet the two different standards, and our products also have the MASHA certificates. Yeah, we can see our MASHA number clearly. It is IC 34101. Yes. Besides this information, we can also see our products size, working pressure, and the bursting pressure clearly. Let us show this place for you. For our 2SN hose, its inside diameter is about 125 bar. Inside diameter is 12.5 millimeters. Yes, 12.5 millimeters. Yeah, this is the inside diameter about the 2SN hose. And now we can see the working pressure of this hose clearly. This working pressure is 276 bar. The working pressure is the bursting pressure is 4 times about the working pressure is about 4,000 psi. Okay, I just showed you the surface about this 2SN hose, and we can see the cuttings about this place. Yeah, this is the 2SN hose. I just checked the cutting surface. It is two steel wires braided. Yeah, two steel wires braided. We just showed you the 1SN. It is only one steel wires braided. You can compare the difference clearly. Yes, and when I touch it, this one is the surface. We can also do the
Smooth
smooth
surface.
surface for you. Yeah, if you like any surface, just tell us your ideas and we can make a customization. Yes, and we can also customize the ley line about your hose. And for this hose, we can use it in different applications. Yeah, we can use it to deliver the water, lubricants. Yes, and in the mining applications or constructions. Yeah, this is a very useful hose. If you like it, we can arrange the different size for you. Yes, that's all for the 2SN introduction. We will show you the next one.
Yeah. We also have the 1SC. This one is also one steel wire braided. Yeah, we can check from this surface. It's one steel wire surface. And this one is a blue color. This one is EN8571SC. And for this house is a high pressure jet washer house. Yeah, you can check from this ley line. And also, the DN is 8 millimeter. It is 5/17 inch. The working pressure is 250 bar. It is 3,120 psi. For this one, I say the working temperature, the max working temperature is 155 degrees. Yeah, we can check here. If you using it in a high working temperature, maybe you can choose this one. It's the one I say. Yeah, one still very brighted. And also we have the 2SC. Yeah, this one is the 2SC. This one is 2 still very brighted. Yes, same structure as the 2SN. Well, this 2SC is Arctic house. The lowest temperature is -55 degrees. If you are going to use the house in a cold temperature, in a cold environment, maybe you can choose this one, this 2SC -55 degree. And this one, for this one is also a wrapped surface. We can check from this surface very clearly. It's wrapped surface. If you want a smooth surface, we can also make it for you. This one is also 8mm, 5/16 inch, and the working pressure is 350 bar. It is 5,075 psi. If you want to add the bursting pressure, we can also add it for you in the ley line. We support customize no matter your logo or other information. We can customize it for you. You can send us your logo so we can make a design for you. So this one is the 2SC.
Okay, we just showed the hydraulic hose with different types, the 1SN, 2SN, 1SC, 2SC. We also have another hydraulic hose. I will show you the 4 steel wheels spiral hose. Yes, in my hand, this one is 4SP. Yeah, for the steel wheels spiral hose, we have 2 different types. One is 4SP, another is 4SH. Yes, and we also have the 6 steel wheels spiral hose, the R9. Yes, R9, R12 are 4 steel wheels. R13 and R15 are the 6 steel wheels spiral hose. And we can also, later I will show you the cuttings so you can see how many steel wheels spiral. Now I will show you the surface about the 4SH, 4SP hose. Okay, let us see the ley lines so you can see it clearly. For these ley lines, it can also show our company's logo. Yeah, our company is the signal post. Yes. And we can also see this place clearly with the orange ground color. Yeah, the signal post text. In this place, if you want to customize your company's logo, yes, please share us your logo and we can make the customizations. And you can see our 4SP hose also meets the EN and the SAE 100 standards, and its EN number is 856. Yeah, this is 4SP hose, and in my hand we can see This is a bigger size, and this is a smaller size. It size about 1/2 inches. Yes.
Yeah, this one is 3/8 inch.
You can see the size difference clearly, and let us see the inner side. Inner size. Yeah, this inner diameter is 6 millimeters. Yes, this one is 6 millimeters.
Yeah, this one is 10 millimeter.
Yes, for our 4SP hoses, its working pressure is 450 bar. Yeah, this one is 450 bar, and the bursting pressure is 6,525 psi. Yeah, I just showed you the working pressure and bursting pressure. So it is very useful for you to use these hoses in different applications. We can see in the end of this ley line, we also shows our products MASHA certificates, and you can also check our MASHA certificate in our official official online. Yes, you can check every certificates in our website, official website clearly. Yes, this is wrapped surface. We can also make the smooth surface. Yes, you can see the red color is the smooth surface, and in my hand the black color is the wrapped surface. Okay, let me show you the cuttings so you can see how many steel wires about this 4SP. I just checked it. It is 4 steel wires spirals holes. Maybe we think that you can also see the spirals clearly. Yeah, this is a very useful hydraulic hose with the steel wires spiral reinforcement. We can use it in the many different applications. If you are interested in this hose, you can send us a message and we will answer your questions in our live stream, or we will answer you after we finishing our live stream. If you are interested in this hose, you can tell me.
Yes. Yeah, if you are interested in any hydraulic hoses, you can contact us. We can send you our catalog and also arrange your samples if needed. Yeah, so this is the steel wheel spiral structure. This is the 4SP and 4SH is the 4 steel wheel braided spiral, and also we have the six wheel spiral. And we can check this line is very big size, and this one is 4 steel wheel spiral. We can check this surface very clearly. And this one is the 1 1/2 inch. This one is R15. Yeah, and for this house, the working pressure can reach to 500 bar. Yeah, it's a very high working pressure. So if you like this one, you can also contact us. This 6 steel wheel spiral. Yeah.
Yes, we just showed you the 2 steel wheels braided hydraulic hose, also the 4 or 6 steel wheels spiral hose. We can also arrange the package about our hoses. We can just check. We will arrange the package according to the sizes from the small size to the bigger size. Then we will arrange it for you. Now let me show you the small sizes package just for the one item and two item. Yes, let us show you the small sizes just like we will show you the package about this horses. This is one item and two item. Yes, we usually for these horses we can arrange it with different sizes like 1/4 inches, 5/16 inches, 3/8 inches, 1/2 inches, and 5/8 inch. Yeah, from 1/2 inches to 1 inches. Yeah, they are all the small sizes. For the small sizes, we usually produce the soft hose mandrel. Yes, for these small sizes, we will use the soft hose mandrel. Yeah, you can see it clearly. For the soft hose mandrel, it is the PP material. Yeah, the soft hose mandrel is PP material. And for the length, we can arrange the length. It's 100 meters or 50 meters. This is for the small sizes. And for the standard length package, our customers could accept the length from 1/2 inches to from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. We usually produce 105 meters or 103 meters. Yes. Well, for the 5/8 inch to 1 inch, we usually arrange the 55 hose mandrel. Yeah, these are the standard lengths. Well, we can also arrange the non-standard lengths. Yes, for the for the 1SN, 2SN hoses, just like if we produce this hose between 95 meters and 105 meters, if our customers could accept two sizes of the length, we will arrange the little lower price for the non-standard length. Yes, this is the hose mandrel tab about our small sizes hydraulic hose.
Yes, and also we also have the bigger size. Yeah, welcome to our live stream. Yeah, we are introducing the hydraulic hoses. And for the hydraulic hoses, we also have the bigger size, like this one is 1.5 inch, the R15. For the big size, 1.5, 1.25, and 2 inch. For this big size hydraulic hoses, we produce it with the hard steel hose mandrel. Yeah, it's the hard house steel mandrel, and usually when we produce it, we will make 40 meters or 60 meters for one package. Because for the bigger size, if we make it too much meters in a package, it will be very heavy. It's not easy for customer to move it. Uh, so we usually make 40 or 60 meters in one package. So this is the package for the big size of this hydraulic hoses. And also
for our hose, we will also we will also arrange our factory labor do the testings in the three different stage: before production, during production, and after production. We will arrange the testings during the whole progress, and we will show you. Yes, now we will show you the testings before the productions. Yeah, the testings about our rubber and steel wheels. Yes. So how can we arrange our products testings? Yes. Before production, we make tests. The rubber test and the steel wheel test. We will test the rubber, the rubber adhesive test between the rubber and the steel wheels. Yes, to check the adhesive, and we will also check the rubber hardness. Also, we will check the quality about our hardwares. This is the testing before the production, and after the hose finished, we will also check the outer. Yes, we will also check the outer. This place, we will check the outer of each hoses to make sure each one have no defective points. Yes, we will check the rubbed surface or smooth surface cover. Yes, to check no defective points. If one pieces of the hoses have some defective points, yeah, we will cut this place. Yeah, we will cut the hose and find all the no any defective point of hoses to our customers. Okay, and that's all the testings about our hydraulic hose. Yes, in
Yeah.
different stages.
Yes, so our quality is very good because we have a very strict test system. Yeah, in each of our production, we have the different test. We have the tracing card. Uh, when if there are any mistakes or any bad quality, we will trace back to see which part is wrong, and we will not use the bad quality horses. And so in each step, if only the workers see the signature of the laboratory test, then we can use the material, and we will not ship the detective houses to our customer. So the quality is very good. If you are interested in our hydraulic houses, feel free to contact us, and we are happy to offer you our catalog and send you samples for test. Feel free to contact us, and we just introduced the hydraulic houses 1S and 2S. 1SC, 2SC, and R3, R6, R15s, and 4SP, 4SH, and then we will go to introduce you the lower pressure hydraulic hoses, the R6 and R3. Let us show you this one. Yeah, we can check this one. This one is the R6. Yeah, this one is R6. We can see this one. In this one, we can check from this surface. Yeah, it's very clearly. It's not. It's different from the high pressure hydraulic hoses. This one is textile braided, one layer textile braided hoses, and this one is 3/8 inch. It is 10 millimeter, and also it shows it's SAE 100R6. And it also meets the EN standard. It's EN 854. And in this ley line, we also write the working pressure is 28 bar. It equals to 406 psi. And also the bursting pressure is 112 bar. It equals to 1,624 psi. For the hydraulic hoses, the bursting pressure is 4 times of the working pressure. Yeah, so this one is the R6. For the R3, it's two-layer reinforcement. This one is R6. Yeah, as we can see, it's very flexible, and also is wrapped surface. We can also make the smooth surface. So if you are looking for this house, you can contact us. And for R3 and R6, it's also called multi-purpose rubber house. That means this house is not only used for the oil, but also we can use this house to transport air and water. Yeah. So the working pressure is a little higher than the rubber house, than the industry rubber house. So if you are looking for a multi-purpose with a higher working pressure, you can choose this R3 or R6. Yeah. If you are interested in these products, feel free to contact us.
Okay, we just introduced the textile braided hydraulic hose with the fiber reinforcement. Now I will show you the R5. It is a unique hose in our hydraulic hose. Yes, for R5. Firstly, let me show you the out cover. Yeah, you can also see the out cover clearly. This is the fiber braided. Yeah, let us see the cover clearly. It is fiber braided cover. And now let me show you the inner material. We can see the inner material with the oil resistant inner tube. Yeah, oil resistant inner tube. Also the one steel wires braided. I just checked it. This is only one steel wires braided. Yes, I just showed you the constructions about this R5. Yeah, the hydraulic hose. Now let me show you the ley lines so you can understand more details. Yeah, the white brown color with Sinopol's company's logo. I just showed you some other hoses like the orange color, orange brown color, blue brown color. We can customize the color about this place and with your company's logo text. For this hose, it means SAE. Yes, SAE 100 standards. It's R5. In my hand, we can see the size clearly. This is the big size, 8 Yes, and we can check. We can also check the inner size diameter. It is 16 millimeters. Yes, 16 millimeters. Can you see it clearly? Yes, for this R5 hose and the working pressure, also the bursting pressure, the working pressure is 103 bar. Yes, 103 bar, and the burst pressure is 1,500 psi.
This is also working.
Oh yeah, this is it is 1,500 psi working pressure. Yes, for this hose, we will also print the Masha standards with the Masha numbers on the surface of this hose. Yeah, it is a very useful hose. We just showed you some details. Well, we also have some customers. They request the R5 with the high working pressure, working temperature. The temperature can up to the 135 Celsius degrees. And we can produce the one not this color. This is black color with the standard temperature. We also have another type with the blue color. Yes, the blue color one is a high working temperature type. It can up to 135 Celsius degrees. Yeah, we produced the blue one. This blue one R5, the working pressure is higher than the standard type.
Yeah, welcome to our live stream. We are introducing the R5.
Yes, we are showing the constructions, also the applications about this hose in our factory. I'm showing the blue one. Yes, this black one is the standard type in our factory. We also produce the blue one with the high working temperature and the high working pressure. Yeah, for the black one, its standard temperature is 100 Celsius degrees, while for the blue one, its working temperature is about 135 Celsius degrees. If you want to get the high working pressure and high temperature type, we can arrange the blue one for you. Yeah, we can arrange this hose for according to your request. You can also use this hose in many different applications. If you have any customizations about this hose, we can also customize it according to your request. Yes, that's all for the introduction about this R5.
Yeah, let us show you next one. This one we can check. This one is a very special surface. Yeah, this one is R14. R14. It also called the Teflon house. Teflon house, and we can check this house. The inner tube is PTFE material, and also this is we can check this surface of this house is stainless braided surface. Yeah, we can check this surface. It's very different. And also for this Teflon house, we can check from the inner tube. The inner tube is corrugated tube, and we also have the smooth tube. For the corrugated tube, it is more flexible. So when customer use it in flexible condition, maybe you can choose the corrugated inner tube. And also for this Teflon house, we produce the house with different thickness. It depends on the customer's market. If some customers market they use the thinner wall, and we can produce the wall thickness according to customers' requirement. So if customers want to customize it, and you can contact us. For the thin wall, the price will be lower than the thick wall. This Teflon house, and the working temperature is very high. If you are looking for this one, you can contact us, and we can send you our catalog, so you can learn more about our products in our catalog. And we can also send you samples so you can test it. Yeah, so this one is the R14, is Teflon house. Yeah. Yeah, we can see it in our catalog. This one. This is the smooth inner tube. And this one is corrugated. Yeah, and also the temperature range is -40 degree to 260 degree. Yeah, the working temperature. If you are looking for a house with a very high temperature, yeah, maybe you can choose this one. Yes, so we just now have introduced the hydraulic hoses from the 1SN, 2SN, the 4SP, 4SH, the R3, R6, R5, R14s. These are the hydraulic hoses. It is working in a high temperature, and we also have the fittings for the different houses accordingly. So that's why we will introduce the fittings to you.
Okay, and let us introduce the hydraulic fittings and the adapters, the ferrules, also the plan for you. Now let us show you. We have the fittings with the different thread. You can let us show you. Yeah, this one with the female thread.
Yeah,
Female thread. We can see it clearly.
yeah. This hoses for the hydraulic hoses. We also supply the fittings with different threads like the metric BSP thread, NPT, GIC, and the female fitting, male fitting straight 45-degree and 90-degree, and also the flange and the furrows. Yeah, we can supply the fittings for the braided house, and we can also supply the fittings for the spiral houses. And for the hydraulic houses, we have separate fittings. So this is separate fittings, and also we have one-piece fittings. Yeah, first one we will introduce the GSC fittings. The GSC female fittings for you.
Yes, I will choose firstly. I will show this fitting for you. It is the GSC 74 degrees, and this fittings we produced it with different material, with carbon steel material or stainless steel material. Carbon steel material, stainless steel material, also with other materials. Yes, we usually produce it with white zinc on the surface. Yes, completed with fittings from the small size to the bigger size, 1/4 inch to 2 inch. Yeah, in my hand, this one, it is let me show the size for you. It is 11/15. Yeah, its size. It is the GIC male fitting, female fitting. Let us show this place. You can see this is GIC female fitting. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one, I will show you the ferrules. For these ferrules, it is we can use this for 1 ISN and 2 ISN. Yes, and I can show the ferrules model number for you. It is 03310 Yes, and we can also touch the inner material. It's the sharp material. Yes, this is a very good choice for our 1 ISN, 2 ISN, the two steel wheels hydraulic hose. We supply the hose for the customers. These ferrules could also be used for 1 ISN and 2 ISN hoses. This is a big one. Yeah, we can use this for the bigger size. For the bigger size, two steel wheels hose. Yeah, it is a ferrules. Besides this type, we can also arrange the ferrules for our 4SP and 4SH. Yes.
Yeah.
For 4SP and 4SH, we will arrange the others model number for you. The part number is 00401. Yeah, also 00402. Yes, we can arrange the different ferrules for the different hydraulic hoses. You can just tell us your needs about it.
Yeah, and we also have the ferrules for Teflon hose, the 00TF0 for the R40s, and also for the 6-layer hose, we have the 00621 for the 6 houses. So we have different kinds of pharaohs according to the houses. You can center the houses you are using now, so we can offer you the suitable pharaohs. So if you are interested in this product, you can contact us. We will send you our catalog and you can learn more about our products. Feel free to contact us. Yeah.
Yes, this one is flan. Yes, and we can see this place. Yeah, it is not the straight flan. It is 90 degrees flan. We can produce these fittings with different working pressure, such as 3,000 psi, 6,000 psi, also the 9,000 psi. We can arrange this fitting with the different working pressure. Yeah, we could also be accept the flan OEM. Some customers also need they request the flan with the longer tube. This place the hose tail. Yes, this is a standard length. Some customers need the flan with the longer tube. We can produce the longer tube about this place, and we can also customize the thickness about this part. If you need the longer one or the thicker one of the hose tail, yeah, we can customize it for you. Yes, for the standard thickness, it is 45 millimeters. We can customize the thicker one, yeah, also with the longer one, and we could insert it into the hoses. Yeah, if we choose the suitable hoses size, then we can insert this one. Yeah, just like this effect. Choose the suitable size. Yeah, they are all the fittings in our factories. We just show the hydraulic fitting, creeping fittings, the ferrules, one separate fittings, one piece fittings, also the flan and the different ferrules. If you are interested in these fittings, you can send us the message in our live stream, and we will also share you our catalog, and we will also answer your questions in our live stream. Next one, we will show you the hose assembly.
Yeah. This one in my hand, yeah, we can check it clearly. It's a hose assembly. It's for the 1XN and with the furrow and the fittings. We factory have the cracking machine. We can crack the furrows with our house. So you do not need to crack yourself. It's very convenient and easy for customer to use it. Uh, we usually use the fittings, insert the fittings in the tube, and also use the furrows like this. The size is not suitable. When we make it, we will use the suitable size. Yeah, just show our customer like this, and then use the cracking machine to crack this furrow, so it can be the assembly. So if you need our factory to make it for you, we can also make it for you. the hose assembly. If you are interested in these products, feel free to contact us. We can sell the houses separate, and we can also sell it as a assembly. Yeah, with our brand or our customers' brand, both is okay. Yeah, so we have introduced the hydraulic hoses and also the fittings and also the hydraulic hose assembly. We also have the industry houses. We will show you the industry houses later.
Okay, next I will choose a few industrial rubber hoses. Before that, I will have a short introduction about industrial rubber hose. And we can produce the industrial rubber hose with the sizes from 1/2 inches to 1 inches. The smaller sizes, yes, there are also smaller sizes. In my hand, it is rubber air water hose and the rubber fuel oil hose, yeah, with 3/8 inches. Let me show you the two different industrial rubber hose. The red one is fuel oil hose, and the black one is rubber air and the rubber water hose. Yes, 3/8 inches. Besides this size, we can also produce it with other sizes, just like 1/2 inches and 3/2 inches, the 5/16 inch and 5/8 inch and 1 inches, these small sizes. And we can produce the hose with different two types. One is with smooth cover, and the other is with wrapped cover. In my hand, this is a smooth cover. This type, you can see this black one. You can compare the two different types. This one is the wrapped surface. This one is the smooth surface. And for both of these hoses, the 20 bar working pressure, they are with the lower working pressure. For the small sizes, rubber air hose, rubber water hose, and the rubber fuel oil hose. We also have the twin welding hose, the gas line hose, and oxygen hose. Yeah, always the small sizes. We produce the hoses with 100 meters one package. Okay, now let me introduce this one for you. I will show the black one firstly. You can check the surface. Yes, let me show you the surface. You can see it clearly. It shows the product name, the ley line place. We can see the product name, rubber air or rubber water hose. And let me show you the cuttings. Then you can see this place clearly. The cuttings, we can see the inside diameter. It is 10 millimeters. Yeah, this size is 3/8 inches. Well, for the rubber air or water hose, the working pressure is 20 bar and the bursting pressure is 60 bar. Yes, we can also check it is 300 psi. Yes, for the industrial hoses, the bursting pressure is 3 times of the working pressure. Yeah, we must use these hoses under the working pressure if the hoses is used without under the with the hair application pressure. The hose need to be working with the high pressure. This is a smooth air rubber hose with 20 bar working pressure. Just like this one, we can produce the hoses with the different colors, such as the black color, red color, yellow color, and blue color. Yeah, we can customize the different colors according to your request. The red color is fuel oil hose. We can use it to deliver the fuel oils. Yeah, we can use this black one to deliver the air or water. Yes, there are the multi-purpose hose, always the small sizes. Working temperature is 20 bar. Yes.
Yeah, and also we have this one. This one in my hand, we can see it. It's the wedding house. As we can see, it's two houses, and one is blue color, the other is red color. We can also make it in other colors, like red or green color. The popular size for this wedding house is 1/4 inch, and we usually sell this house with the brass fittings. This is very popular in American market. Usually we sell it in 50 feet, 75 feet, and 100 feet one package with the brush fittings to America. And this one is a smaller size, and also the color could be different colors. Normally it's blue, red, green, red. Yeah, normally it's these two different colors, and also we can make in different size. Such as the red one is the smaller size, 1/4, and the blue one can be a bigger size, uh, like a 5/8 inch. Yes, so this is the tomato house. It's very popular in American market. So this is tomato house, and for the rubber air water house, yeah, we just introduce you this house. We This one is the rubber air water house, and the working pressure is 20 bar. It's a low working pressure. If you want to uh, use the house in a higher working pressure, you can choose the R3 and the R6. This one is with a 20 bar working pressure. It's lower working pressure than the R3 and R6. So this is the smaller size industry rubber house. We just showed you the air water house and the wedding house. Besides this, we also have the oil house, the gas line house, oxygen house. Yeah. So if you are looking for the industry houses, you can contact us. Yeah, normally for the smaller size houses, industry houses, we usually make it 100 meters in one package, or 50 meters in one package. This is the smaller size industry houses.
Okay, I will show you the package about the bigger size industrial hoses. Yes. For the bigger size industrial rubber hose from size 1 and 1/2 1 and 1/4 inches to 8 inches. We produce the bigger sizes industrial hoses with the hard steel hose mandrel. Yes. For the one hard steel hose mandrel, its length is about 6 meters.
60.
Yeah, 60 meters. So for the bigger size industrial rubber hoses, one package could be 60 meters, or 20 meters, or 30 meters. Yes, according to the hose manual, and also we can according to the hose size, we pack the hose with different lengths. For the bigger size, like 8 inch, 8 inch, yeah, 8 inch industrial rubber hose, we usually package it with 10 meters, one pieces. Yeah. Well, for the smaller size, just like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 2 inch, or 3 inch, we pack the hoses with 30 meters or 60 meters. Well, for the bigger sizes, bigger than the 3 inches, such as 4 inches, 5 inch, 6 inch, and 8 inch, we pack the hose with 20 meters, one package. Yes. For the bigger size industrial rubber hose, we produce the hose with 20 bar, yeah, 20 bar working pressure. Yes. So the bursting pressure is 60 bar. Same with the small sizes, the bursting pressure is 3 times the working pressure. Yeah, for the bigger sizes, we can also supply the suction and discharge hose about the oil, air, and the water. Yes. Besides this, air, water, or oil hose, we can also produce other hoses such as the chemical hose, food hose, concrete hose, and sandblast hose. Yeah, for industrial hoses, we have different types. Yeah, you can just tell us your product applications, then we can recommend the suitable type for you, just according to your request.
Yes, so for the bigger size industry houses, we have different kinds of houses. Yeah, welcome to our live stream. We are introducing the industry houses right now. Yeah, so for the bigger size, like 8 inch or like 8 inch, we usually make it 10 meters in one package. It's for container. It's easy for us to loading it, and also we will put some smaller size houses in the 8 inch inner tube. Then it can save the space, save the shipping cost for our customers, and also for the suction house, oil suction, water suction, and air suction and discharge house. There is also a spiral steel it is used for the negative pressure. So if you are looking for the industry houses, feel free to contact us. Yeah, and so this we just introduced the industry houses, and except these houses, we also have the PVC houses. For the PVC houses, it includes the PVC garden house, PVC braided house, PVC transparent braided house, PVC transparent clear house, and PVC leaflet house, PVC steel warehouse, and also PVC high pressure sprayer house. Firstly, we will show you our PVC garden house. Is this one? Is the PVC garden house. We can check from this surface. It's yellow surface with a green line. So the cover of the PVC garden house is yellow and green color. Usually it is a black inner tube, and also we can make a white color inner tube. It depends on customers like. And for the garden house, the popular size is 1.5 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. We sell the 1/2 inch and 5/8 inch with a very large quantity. And also some customers they order the 3/4 inch and 1 inch. For PVC houses, the working pressure is not very high, so it is normal for the home or construction. This can charge the air or water. Usually we make it 100 meters in one package. Yeah, and also this color is a yellow green color. We can also make different other colors like yellow color, red color. Yeah, we sell to our Philippines market with the green color, green garden house, red garden house. Yeah, and for houses like UK, Europe market, and America, Philippines, Australia, these markets needs this house in a very large quantity. It's very popular in this market, and customers usually buy this house from the hardware center or the supermarket in their local, and usually this package is 25 feet, 50 feet, and with the water sprayer gun. It's usually with the water sprayer gun with the plastic package. So this is the PVC garden house. Yeah, usually yellow green color with a black inner tube. If you are looking for this garden house, yeah, you can contact us. We can send you our catalog, so you can contact us, and you can send us the size you want, so we can make a quote for you. Yeah.
Okay, we just showed you the PVC garden hose. Now let me show you the PVC clear. Yeah, the PVC clear transparent hose. You can also see it clearly. It is clear transparent tab. This hose is a single one. Yes, this hose is without braided reinforced. Yeah, this one with braided reinforced, while this one is without the braided reinforced. Some customers also use this hose for constructions. Yes, we can also use it in the constructions of the buildings. It is level hose to make sure the constructions is on the same level, the same height, construction level hose. And some customers, they also use the hose for the submarine, the grease. Of course, that hose used for the submarine needs very good quantities with the high working pressure. This is a transparent clear hose. Constructions level hose, also the submarine hose of the brace. For this hose, we usually sell some sizes just like the 3-4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 5/6 inch, and 1/2 inch. For hoses, few customers also ask for the bigger size. Yeah, we can also customize this PVC clear transparent hose with the bigger size. Most customers, they ask for the same sizes, PVC clear transparent hose. Yes, these hoses are not for the food. If you need the food hose, we can arrange our industrial food hose, rubber food hose for you. We don't produce the food grade hose. Only for the garden usage, for the constructions, for the industrial applications, not for food. So we can use it to deliver the food.
Welcome to our live stream. We are introducing the PVC hoses right now.
Yes, if you are interested in our PVC hose, you can send us a message in our live stream. I will introduce the details about these products. We can also share you our product catalog. Not this hose could be used to discharge the food grade, like the food liquid. Yeah, this is okay. We just show this one.
Yeah, for this PVC transparent clear hose, we can also make it in other colors, like transparent blue color, transparent green color. So if you are interested in this PVC clear hose, you can contact us. And we also have the PVC steel warehouse, and also uh, uh, we don't have it in our live room right now. If you are interested in this house, you can contact us. We can send you pictures and also send you our catalog so you can see it. And later, let us show you the PVC leaf lighthouse. This one is the PVC leaf lighthouse. It's one layer, uh, and we supply the leaf lighthouse with 3 working pressure. It's 5 bar, 6 bar, 8 bar, and the size for this PVC leaf lighthouse is 3/4 inch, 1 inch. 1 1/2 inch, 1 1/4 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, and 8 inch. It's with different sizes. So if you are looking for these houses, you can contact us. And also, the working pressure usually is 5 bar, 6 bar, and 8 bar. For these customers also use the PE lay flat house, while this PVC lay flat house is with higher working pressure. And it can used for a longer working time. Yeah, if you use the PE lay flat house, that's okay for 1 and 2 times. While the working pressure is for the PE lay flat house is uh, easily lower after you use some time. Of course, and the PVC house can use for a longer time. We sell this PVC houses 6 inch and 3 inch with the cam lock, like this, the cam lock. The cam lock type C and type E. We make the house assembly to our Australian customers. They use this assembly to for the plant, because Australia and New Zealand they have a big farmland. They use the house to irrigation, and yes, so this is the PVC leaf light house, and also we have the PVC sprayer house. If you are looking for the PVC sprayer house, you can contact us so we can send you our catalog and send you our pictures and videos so you can check it. Yeah. So this is the PVC houses. Let us show you our products one by one.
Okay, we just introduced our hydraulic hose, industrial hose, also the PVC hose. Now let us introduce the more details about our hydraulic hose, such as two steel wheels braided hose, or the steel wheels spiral hose, and the textile braided hose, the thermoplastic hose, the PTFE hose. Yes, they are with the different models. Now let us show you some. This one for you.
One
Yes, we will show you one SN. And now I choose one sample hydraulic hose, one SN. You can see the hose lay line. Let us show you. You can see the hose lay line. Yeah, can you see it clearly? We can customize the text about the hose lay line from the right, from the left to the right. Yeah, it shows the brand name, the standard, the model number, and the working pressure, also the martial certificate. In my hand, this one is a smaller size. It is only 1/4 inch. Yes, the inside diameter, let me show you this place. You can see it clearly. This is 6, yeah, it is 6 millimeters. And for our 1SN hose, it meets the 2 standard, the EN standard, also the SAE 100 standard. For SAE 100 standard R180. We also have the SAE 100 R280. Yes. Let me show. I just showed you these details. Let me show you the working pressure. Yes, we can see this clearly. This working pressure is 225 bar. Yes, it is 3,260 psi. Our product, our hydraulic hose also meets the standards, and we also have the MASHA certificate. We will print. We can also design the MASHA standard with the MASHA number on the hose ley line surface. And when I touch it, this one, it is wrapped surface. It is wrapped surface. We can also customize this hose with a smooth surface. I just showed you the out cover surface. Let me introduce the inner material. We can check the inner tube. The inner tube is NBR rubber, synthetic rubber, and it is one steel wires. Yeah, it is only one steel wires braided hose. Yeah, besides the 1SN, we also have the 1ST and the 1ST, 1SC, also R17. These hose structures are same, always one steel wires reinforced. Yeah, it is 1/4 inch. We can also arrange these holes from the smaller size to the bigger size, from 3/16 inch to 2 inch. Yeah, we show the hose brand and its specification on the hose ley line. Yeah, we sell our customers with our brand Sinopos, and we also produce the hose with customers' brand with a different brand color. If you want to do the ley line design service, we have our designer, we can design it for you. Yeah, this is the Sinopos 1SN 1/4 inch and 225 bar working pressure. Okay, this is the introduction about our 1SN hose. Besides this hose, we can also arrange the 2 steel wires braided hydraulic hose. We also have the 2SN, 2SC, and 2ST. Now let us introduce the 2SN, 2 steel wires braided hose for you.
Yeah, so this one is the 2SN. Yeah, we can check from this surface. It's 2 steel wire braided. And also this surface is wrapped surface. We can also make it in smooth surface, like this one is the smooth surface. And this one is 2 steel wire braided. we can check it from this ley line. It is the red color is SINPO's brand name with SINPO's logo, and also the EN standard is EN 853 2SN. And this house is also meets the standard of SAE 100R280. And for this house, is the DN is 12.5 millimeter, and is equals to 1/2 inch. The working pressure is 27.6 megapascal. It equals to 4,000 psi, and also in the end of this house, this is the mesh certificate number. You can check it online, and then it shows SINPOs. So this one is the 2SN. We also have the 2SC. The 2SC is Arctic house. It's the same structure with this 2SN. Well, this 2SC is the Arctic house. Is the minus degree is the degree is minus 55 degrees. If you use it in a lower temperature, in a cold conditions, you can choose this 2SC EN857 2SC. And also we have this one. This is the house guard. Yeah, let us show you. It's the house guard. So we can know its functions after we listen to the name. So it is used to protect the house. Yeah, protect the house from abrasive situation. So if we have this house, this house can working for a longer time. And as we can see, we have different colors of this house guard. It has different colors, and also the material of this house guard is PP material. We can check the surface is two different kinds of surface. This one is a smooth surface, and this one is corrugated. So this one, this one with a longer working time. This one. So this is the house guard to protect the hydraulic hoses when we use the hose. And also, except this 2SN, 2SD, we also have the 4SP and 4SH. Yeah, let us show you the 4SP.
Okay, besides the two steel wires hose, we can also produce the 4 steel wires spiral hose. In my hand, this one is 4SP and 4SH. If you need the 4 steel wires hose, we recommend the two types for you, the 4SP and 4SH. Besides the 4 steel wires spiral hose, we can also produce the 6 steel wires spiral hose, such as our models, the R13 and the R15. Yes, with 6 steel wires spiral holes. Now let me introduce the details about the 4SP. Yes, let me show you the ley lines so you can also see the brief introductions about these 4SP holes. Now I will introduce the details in the ley lines so we can understand these holes clearly. Yes, from the left side, it shows the brand name. This is our factory's name, and our factory is Sinopol's. Yes, with orange ground color. We can also customize other ground colors such as blue color or red color. Yes, we can customize the ground colors according to your request. Yes, and for the 4SP holes, we have the EN standards. Yes, the EN 856. Yes, and for this hose, it is a small size, 3/8 inch. Let me show this place for you. The inner diameter is 10 millimeters. And we can also see this surface clearly. Let me check how many steel wires. Just look at this side. It shows the 4 steel wires braided. Yes, 4 steel wires braided hydraulic hose. Also for this 4SP hose is working pressure. Let me introduce the working pressure for you. The working pressure is 445 bar. It's 6,450 psi. And we can also, can you see this place clearly? It shows our hose Masha number. Yes, our host have the Masha certificates. We can we can design the Masha number on the ley line of these hoses. So if you are interested in this 4 steel wires hose, our designer can customize the hose ley line according to your requests. This is a very useful hose. Yes, the 4SP and 4SH are both for 4 steel wires, spiral reinforced with temperature, working temperature, also the working pressure and the Masha certificate. Yes, this is the 4 steel wires braided 4SP hose. Besides this one, we also have the R15. R15 is a 6-wire spiral reinforced hose. Let me introduce this hose for you. A very heavy hose with a big size. It is the R15. For R15, we can show you the difference between R15 and 4SP. 4SP, it is 2 steel wires. You can check the surface. It is 4 steel wires spiral. Well, for R15, it is 6. Yeah, can you see the spirals clearly? It is 6 steel wires spiral hose. It with high working pressure. And in my hand, this size is 1.5 inch. This hose, it with high working pressure is about 500 bar, and it is just a short sample. If you ordered the R15 from our factory, we can produce lens. Yeah, we will produce the suitable lens for you, not like this short sample, just for your reference. Yeah, this is R15. 6 steel wheels, hydraulic hose, and for our hydraulic hoses, we can also arrange the package for you. We will arrange the package according to the size difference between the small sizes, also the full sizes. Yes. And let us show the package about the small sizes, just like the 1 ISN and 2 ISN. We produce the sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inch. For small size, we usually produce the soft hose mandrel. Yes, we will use the soft hose mandrel to produce the 2 steel wheels hose. The soft hose mandrel is the PP material. Yeah, PP hose mandrel, PP material. And for one package, how many meters? We usually produce 100 meters and 50 meters. Yeah, so this package for the small sizes, the standard length is 100 meters or 50 meters. Yeah, so we usually produce the 105 meters from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Yes. Well, from the 5/8 inch to 1 inch, we usually arrange the 55 meters hose mandrel. Yeah, this is our suggestions about our package length. This is the standard length package. We also have the non-standard length package between 95 and 105 meters. If our customers could accept the non-standard length, we can arrange the lower price than the standard package length. Yeah, we can arrange the package according to your requirements. Yeah, you can just tell us your package requirements, and we will talk about the package length with our purchasing department. Then we can arrange the package for you.
Yes, and we also have another types of hydraulic hoses. Let us show you this one. Is R5. It's SAE100R5. As we can see in this surface, is different with the hydraulic hoses 1SN, 2SN, 5P for SH. Yeah, we can check this surface. It is fiber-braided surface, and also the inner tube. We can check from the inner tube. Yeah, it is the steel wear reinforcement. For this R5, we have two different types of working temperature. The standard one is the temperature is 100 degree, and if you want to use it in a higher temperature, we can make it to 115 degrees. And also, we can check this ley line. It's white color, Simple's brand name and Simple's logo, and also it shows it's SAE100R5. The size of this house is 5/8. It's 5/8 inch. That is 16 millimeter. Yeah, and also the working pressure is 10.3 megapascal. It is 1,500 psi, and also it we have the master certificate. You can check it online. So you can check it in samples. So this is the R5. If you are looking for this products, you can contact us, and we can send you our catalog. You can learn more about our products in our catalog, and we can also arrange you samples for test. So you can test the quality in person. Yeah. So we just introduced the hydraulic hoses, industry hoses, PVC hoses, and the fittings, furrows. So if you are interested in these products, feel free to contact us.
Okay, we just finished our introductions about our hoses and fittings. If you are interested in our live stream, please look at our next live stream. We will continue to introduce our products. Yes. Thank you for watching our live stream. Bye bye.
Yes, see you next time. Bye.下面是不是有美颜呀？这平台一个人也没进来过。